New Ferris Wheel Press. First one is Crystal Blue Legacy. It does have shimmer in it, so I had to shake it really good. The pen that I got out that I hadn't opened yet is a carousel fountain pen, and it's called Poison Envy. And these fountain pens are amazing because you just take all the parts apart, and then the little plunger that you put the ink in, you have the plunger all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see me do that. I actually take this out and I put the plunger so that it's all the way down at the bottom. And since I'm a nurse, this is kind of a thing for me. We see how I put that all towards the bottom, and then I bring the ink up, turning it the opposite way. And so that's how you fill a fountain pen. It's that easy. So here is the Crystal Blue Legacy, and then the pink one is Sugar and Spite. And this Sugar and Spite is fantastic. I will use this a lot. Now, if you go to my link tree under my bio and go down to Ferris Wheel Press Inks and type in OTL at the code at checkout, you'll get 10% off. So again, just go to my link tree, go to Ferris Wheel Press Inks, type in the code OTL for 10% off at checkout. Have a great day, everybody.